As Americans are getting their first doses of the new COVID shots, a battle brewing in Florida over who should roll up their sleeve.
We did not and we will not allow the dystopian visions of paranoid hypochondriacs control our health policies, let alone our state.
Florida's Surgeon General issuing new guidance against the vaccine for anyone under 65. In direct defiance of CDC recommendations, the agency says anyone over 6 months of age who has not gotten vaccinated in the last 2 months should get the shot.
There's essentially no evidence for it. These mRNA COVID-19 products actually increase your chances of contracting COVID-19.
The CDC firing back, saying, quote, public health experts are in broad agreement about these facts, and efforts to undercut vaccine uptake are unfounded and dangerous.
The Florida Surgeon General is wrong. He's not practicing medicine. He's practicing politics. There's every evidence out there that if you're unvaccinated or if you're not up to date with your vaccines and you're an adult, that it's important to get this booster shot.
CDC data shows vaccines have provided enhanced protections from previous variants of the virus. Against the BA.1 variant, a booster shot increased vaccine effectiveness against COVID-related hospitalizations by 24 to 31%, and against the BA.2 variants by 28 to 45%. But it's DeSantis' bucking of the CDC and federal COVID response that helped transform the Florida governor into a national Republican star at the height of the pandemic and arguably opened the door to his presidential bid.
States like Florida that got people back open, we were attacked mercilessly because we were doing that.
If approved by lawmakers, DeSantis' effort permanently restricts COVID shot and mask rules in schools. It prevents public and private employers from hiring and firing based on mRNA shot status.
You don't take somebody like Fauci and coddle him. You bring Fauci in, you sit him down, and you say, Anthony, you are fired.
Now, the virus is taking center stage in a bitter GOP primary. In an interview with Megyn Kelly, former President Donald Trump discussing vaccines.
First of all, no mandates. I don't want mandates. I never had mandates.
And trying to distance himself from the country's former top infectious disease doctor, Anthony Fauci, to whom he awarded a presidential commendation for his work on the vaccine.
I don't know who gave him the commendation. I really don't know who gave him the commendation.
Presidential commendation. One went out to Mark.
Somebody probably handed him a commendation.
DeSantis on Fox News Radio mocking Trump for the apparent reversal.
It literally says President Trump awards commendation. Is this the immaculate commendation or something like that? Did this happen out of thin air? Give me a break. People need to take responsibility for their actions.
The world's deadliest pandemic, a political wedge yet again. Dasha Burns, NBC News.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.